Hello YouTube, anybody else I'm showing this to. Starlink has arrived and this is the package we get. Basically it comes in its own box, no extra box on top. If you've seen unboxings of these, this will look familiar. Not sure if that's actually going to focus. Here we go, thank you. Instruction sheet. Okay, the app, you've already got that. Set up our stuff, use the app to link. It's actually fairly straightforward. You basically got one between the satellite dish and the power side, the other one to a modem that comes with it, and then you do everything else on your phone. So this is the 2022 packaging. Let's see if we can put that aside. Same as I think pretty much everything else I've seen online. There we go. Cool. So I'm actually going to pull all of that out. If I've got a place to put that. There we go. Cool. Thank you. Here's the modem. Already got a linked cable in there by the looks of it. Alright, so they've already got it linked up, showing where it's got to go. Tiny thing. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, regulatory notices. Probably a good idea to read that. It's not going to stop me from doing stuff. The cable's obviously come out, but plan is, oh man, excuse me. This is my property. I've got to get down on that top of that roof down there at the house. I'm up in the shed at the moment. Probably put it on that flat area for starters, and then you can see I've got a nice satellite dish there for TV. But somewhere up on the peak, I also have to get rid of some of the trees that are up higher. Maybe the ones on the left there. When I did the app check, it found those, but not the ones on the right side. So see if I can get those ones. That one's probably got to go there. These ones seem fine. So, and the ones over there are actually further over down the hill. But if they've got to go, they've got to go. I've got too many around my property as it is. There you go. Starlink's here. I will set this up and we'll show you how that's going on the setup. Cheers. Okay, well, I actually set it up by putting it up just on the edge of my roof and my carport. I need to get some gutter guard on this. Seeds and leaves have obviously grown from in there, but should be able to shoot it up towards the modem's inside the house here, going through a window. The trees don't seem to be too much of a problem. It might be the ones that are on this way. Have noticed that there's already a few bugs that have fried on top of it or landed on it, probably because it's white. But I've got one screw down here at the moment. I may move it further up there. I can get a pole. I did a speed test here in this flat area. 177 down and 23 up. That's the first test. I may try a few more, see how it goes, and add it before the end of this video. Cheers.